Matt Lachey, a shit show coming through there.
Yeah, there was quite a bit of people, but how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Not too bad. It was kind of cute coming in though. A lot of people like taking pictures of like the buildings and stuff.
Artsy and all that crap.
Yeah, nice.
You've seen 100 million or more than most people I met.
Oh, I've seen a lot. I've put doors on over 10% of these things I ever made. I love this color though.
I do. I got a couple little nicks I gotta fix, but other than that,
It's in beautiful shape.
pretty good shape.
I am in Pine Island? I don't even know. I think it's Pine Island. I think GPS said a weird name. I'm not gonna try to say that. What's the name of where I'm at?
What?
What's the name of where I'm at?
Well, you're in Pine Island Center, but my address
Pine Island Center.
But my address is
Bokeelia, okay. I'm here, oh, thank you. And then what is this exactly?
That's gonna be Jack and Coke.
Jack and Coke.
If it's a little tough for you, here's a little more Coke. I tend to overpour, sorry.
Good thing this is my insult tomorrow after this drink.
But yeah, there's more. I thought it might be a little rough. Sorry about that.
No, it actually is really good. I make strong drinks too. But I'm gonna leave my stuff here and we're gonna do this today or tomorrow. Nice little rest and relaxation. Gonna check out the beach, see a little sand, and yeah, just relax. And then we'll tackle this Prowler. It's gonna be special because this is gonna be the first time in I don't know how many years that I've actually touched a vertical door brand kit. So we're gonna get this tomorrow. Right, it is the following morning, and it is 8:58 in the morning, to be exact. And we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then gonna go play with a Prowler. So in this little area right here, this little dock cove thing, there is a couple manatees that are in there having a good morning. But there was same ones, I'm assuming, that was in there last night. And I was sitting in one of these guys. I was just on the phone and I see this like huge brown body pop out of the water and I'm like, holy shit, what is that? And then I found out it was a manatee. Now, for those of you who don't know, and for most of you, you're about to find out, I am a very giant vagina when it comes to ocean life and creatures and monsters and all that kind of good stuff. And it's not so much because I don't know what they are, it's because I am at a severe disadvantage in their territory as it's the water. So I'm just under the assumption, and I live the mindset that everything in there wants to kill me because I'm out here. And really, when you think about it, what do humans do to most of these animals in the creature or in the oceans? They kill them, and so can't really be mad at them for wanting to kill me. And for those that don't know, I am in Pine, or I am on, or in, around, surrounded by Pine Island, which is a little island off of the Gulf Coast of Florida. I prefer, obviously, the other side of Florida. Florida is just beautiful no matter where you're at. Well, look at this. We are installing a vertical door ink brand kit today. And it's on this beautiful guy right there. This is a 2001 Plymouth Prowler, Chrysler Prowler. I think this was the only year that they had Chrysler and Plymouth parts, but either way, this whole thing is shells. Pond. Okay, I heard something over there. I am on edge. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I am on edge for monsters, for something that can come out of nowhere and get me. I'm not a fan. This is a beautiful little pond action going on here. This car is beautiful. I love the orange. I love this orange on this car. So, in all reality, I have done in my career of doing this, I think this will be 140 something, number 140 something of the Prowlers in my 20 some odd years of doing this that I've done, which actually is over 10% of Prowlers ever made. I've done a lot of these Prowlers. And a couple months ago, and we're waiting for summer, he wants to send his Prowler to us back home in Phoenix, and he wants us to make a kit for his car, the V2 series. Pretty much thinking we're gonna do that. Because even with this kit on here, well, this kit will make the doors open a little bit more like regular wise. Obviously the V2, we're tighter, higher than everything else in the market. So I don't know. We're gonna make a kit though for it, but we're gonna go ahead and get this one installed and play with vertical doors again. Let's change up the tool. Removing everything on this car is really simple in comparison to basically anything else. 310, not that complicated. To remove everything. Obviously this is just one part of the process, but pulls down and then pull this back and unplug this little light. Fender's off. What I like about these Prowlers is that anyone like under the age, I'd say like 36, have no clue what this thing is. And it has kept this, just like the design of this car, the shape, all that stuff has just stayed so relevant, I guess, with everything. So it just looks so amazing. And people are like, what is that? So on these Prowlers, like this little hump area right here has to be cut and kind of conformed and shaped to allow the flat resting of the kit itself. But I mean, that literally was 2 minutes to pull the fenders off this car. The rest is just removing the door panels and electrical, things such as that. It is, I'm not gonna say tricky, but you have to be very delicate when you're doing the electrical and the doors on these cars, because A, finding parts for this car is next to impossible, as anyone that owns a Prowler can attest to. B, they're very old. So plastic clips, plastic panels, plastic like casings, all that kind of stuff. Like on the door panels, like this part right here, for example, like this plastic piece right here, like removing that, you have to be so delicate because it slides in. And if you don't know how it slides, the angle in which, the direction to go to remove it, like you can easily snap it because obviously it's plastic. So when you have plastic that's 20 years plus old, it gets very brittle and it will snap with very, very little force. So you break one of those, you're not gonna find one. So you just have to be very, very delicate with this car. All right, I am here with Danny, the proud owner of this 2001 beautiful burnt orange Plymouth Prowler. And what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
I think it came out great. I love this color.
You did a phenomenal job.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. I am rocking my gift, the Space Force hat, as all I can really say is you were in the Space Force, right? Or
Retired Space Force.
Retired Space Force. Can't talk about what he did, but aliens. No, but what do you think? You like it?
Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. Just changes everything.
It does. It really does. It was fun. I mean, there was aspects of it that I forgot, you know, like the door stopper and stuff like that. But I do that every, like I said, about 9 or so cars I do, typically with the C8s, obviously. This was, and he was giving me some shit for it, which was, I love that banter back and forth, but I haven't touched a vertical door kit in so many years. And I haven't obviously touched a Prowler in at least, I think, 4 or 5 years since the last time I did a Prowler. So it was like a little bit, kind of like riding a bike, but had moments of like forgetting, you know, things here and there. But what do you think is the best part of this for you? Like, what is the most convenient part of it?
I think it gives me a lot more room to get in and out. You know, I'm not a huge guy, but
yeah,
it's still tough to get in that thing.
It is.
And then the vertical, I love the looks of it. It just makes it unique. And
it does.
That's what I love about it.
Well, this is a very unique looking car. Like, I mean, it's just like I was telling you yesterday, anyone under the age of about 35 has no clue what this is.
Absolutely not.
So they see it and it's like, what is that? Is that coming out? You know, I told them yesterday when I came here last night, I was like, you could literally go to a show or anywhere and tell someone under the age of 35 that this is like a 2028, you know, GM whatever, and they'd believe it because they've never ever seen this car anymore. I just noticed your badge is crooked.
Yep. Thank you. Thanks for pointing that out. You can go now.
Holy crap. That would drive me nuts. How long have you known that was crooked?
Not long, but thank you for pointing that out. That'll be fixed tomorrow. Jesus Christ.
I immediately saw it and like, it screamed to me. It called me out. I was like, hey, I'm not on straight. I don't think my head's on straight either. But no, it was a pleasure. Obviously very beautiful down here.
We're east of Cape Coral.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see launches. Can you see the launches from here?
A little bit.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
We see them, the ones that they do from like California for SpaceX.
Vandenberg?
Yeah, we can see it lights up our sky pretty good in Phoenix, which is shocking because it's so far. But I think they come back over the States when they launch from that. He's a Space Force guy, not me. I don't know how they do that, but they go up and then they come back down.
That's right.
That's all I know. Or we hope they come back down. But yeah, no, it was a pleasure. It was truly my pleasure to come out here. It was something to do a vertical door kit again. You know, like I said before, like I have no bad blood. I don't have a problem with them. They have a problem with me, obviously, but it is what it is. But if you guys have a Prowler and you want doors done, give us a call. We don't make a kit for the Prowler. We were talking about doing that. We've been asked to do that to a couple different customers, as well as a couple different shops that sell the Prowler stuff, that we're like, please make a kit for the Prowler. We're tired of dealing with you-know-who. Maybe in the near future. There's not much to it, but I know that if we did it, it would be a big deal. Because it would be fun. Obviously, we're never going to have like 300 plus kits like Vertical Doors does, but for select cars, this is an amazing car. You're lucky to have this car. This is your second one, you said?
Second one.
What color was your first one?
Silver.
Silver. If you don't mind, why did you sell the first one?
Okay, because...
Is that bad too? No, you don't have to say.
I can.
Okay, what?
My ex-wife, she thought it was super gay, and I'm like, no, it's not super gay. And then I kind of like was pushed to get rid of it. And then now that I'm not married anymore, I'm like, I'm getting a Prowler again. So this color is much better in my
I agree. And the other lesson here is don't get married, people. Don't get married or date or have children with anyone. Like, they're all evil. They all will come back and get you.
There's good ones.
There's a few, but they've all unfortunately died or passed away, or they themselves are gay. You know?
Exactly.
But no, it was a pleasure. I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys on the next one there's a few of them coming up in Philadelphia. So we're heading to Philadelphia. So until next time, guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll talk to you again.
Did it, and I'm just so happy. I'm glad it's done. It was worth the wait.
Me too.
And I'm glad you did it, because I told you I'm getting you to do it no matter what. So
how long total did